everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prabkirat. I hope that you all are doing really well. So today I'm doing a Nykaa haul. Loads to show you guys, and when I mean loads, I mean loads. So let's just get started with the video. So the first product is this Herb Day face wash from the Face Shop. So I have been using this face wash from quite some time now, and I just love this face wash. I used to use the Neutrogena Deep Clean face wash earlier. That was too good as well, but this one is amazing. This won't strip off the moisture from your face. This won't burn a hole in your pocket. This just retails for rupees 300, and you can even see the size. It's really good. This mask is from Monsub. I guess that is how we pronounce this brand. I'm trying this out for the first time. This is the Gold Collagen Facial Mask. I'm really excited to try this out because of the golden sheen. Let's see how it works. I have this L'Oreal liquid highlighter. I am loving this product, you guys. I'll just give you guys a small swatch of this. This is really good. Like, can you see? This is really good. You can wear it under your makeup. You can wear it as a highlighter on above your makeup. This is really good. This does have some little glitter particles. So in case you guys have any problem with that, you may not really like it, but otherwise it's really good. So next are these three lip color. This one is Exposed by In Color. This is a very pretty peach color. In case you are into peach colors, you are going to love this color. This is really very good. It's completely matte. It stays for so long, and this is not even expensive. All the prices of the products will be listed in the bottom bar below, along with the links for all the products. Next is this Nykaa Molten Matte lip color. This is in the shade Hana. This is slightly dark, like this is a proper magenta color. This is a peach and this is a magenta, but even these are like really good. These don't have a lot of coverage, but they're really good. You can even use them as a cheek tint. You can see they blend really beautifully. And I have one more color in this. This is in the shade Carry 02, if that is how they pronounce it. I love this color. I love these two colors. I'm not really sure about this one, but I know I will use this color as a cheek tint, if not on my lips, because I love blushes. You can see. So the next product is this Innisfree Pore Clay Mask. If I had to choose one clay mask for my life, this would be it. Like, this helps to clean your pores. This helps to pull out all the extra sebum from your face, oil from your face. This helps in brightening your skin. Like, I just can't count all the good things that it does. This is quite expensive. This is for 1100 rupees, but the quantity is too good, and it's like a clay mask. It's really very good, guys. In case you have pores on your skin, or if you have oily skin, you should definitely check this out, and you're going to thank me later. So the next products that I have are my base essentials. I have been using these products from quite some time now, and I have to restock them. So the first product is this Lakme 9 to 5 foundation. This is in the shade W120. Guys, this foundation is versatile. You can use it for your everyday use. You can use it for your office. You can use it for your functions. This foundation is too good. This is affordable. This is buildable, and it won't burn a hole in your pocket. This is the primer plus matte foundation, but I usually like to prime my face. I use the Benefit Pore Freshener Primer, but in case you don't want to prime, you can use this as it is. So the next product is this Fit Me Loose Powder. I'm in the shade 15. This is slightly dark for my skin tone, but it's really good. If you have grayness under your eyes, or in case you have not used a concealer and you just want to give some coverage, this is too good. You can see I have used it right now, and the coverage is amazing. This product from Maybelline is this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade 20. Like, I don't have enough words to describe this concealer. I don't like the Age Rewind variant. It's very heavy, but it gives you a beautiful coverage, so you must try this out. This product is this Himalaya Pure Neem Scrub. I am quite disappointed with this scrub. I love the Himalaya Neem face pack, but this face scrub has some really big particles. In case you guys can see, you should not use anything that has big particles because it can damage your skin. So I didn't really like this scrub. Most probably I'll use it for my body, my hands or my feet. The next product is this L'Oreal Elnet spray. I got this product in PR. I did not purchase this product, but I loved it because the particles of this spray are like so fine, like it doesn't make your hair sticky. I'll just show you guys it. And I just used it. It will hold my straightening like this only, and it's not sticky. Like, you know, most of the hairsprays are very sticky, either they leave any residue on your face or something like that. This is not like that. This is amazing. So next I have this Mamaearth Argan hair mask. I don't know why my box looks like this, but this is a really good hair mask, guys. I have basically restocked it. This is really good for dry hair. I usually mix it with some oil, coconut or olive oil, and just apply it before my head wash for like 1 hour, and you will see the difference in your hair, and you will see a big difference in your hair. This product is too good. You really need to try it in case your hair is frizzy like mine. So talking about hair care products, I have another product. This is the Live On Hair Serum. This is vitamin E, and like just comment below and tell me how many of you have not used Live On. Like, I have used Live On since my childhood and there is no going back. My hair is very frizzy. I have tried a lot of serums. The L'Oreal serum, it makes my hair more frizzy, but this one is too good. The next product is from Mamaearth. This is the Mamaearth C3 face pack. I have seen a lot of YouTubers crave about this, and I really wanted to see what the hype is all about. So this has charcoal, coffee and clay, and it claims to clean your skin. It gives you healthy and glowing skin. So I will definitely try this out and let you guys know. Next I have two pairs of lashes. One is from PAC and the other one is from Nykaa. I love the PAC lash. I always pick my lashes from PAC. They are very good and it has a lot of variants. You have the mink lashes, you have the pro lashes, and they are really good. You can wash them, reuse them. And I'm not a really big fan of the Nykaa lashes because they kind of look like plastic lashes to me, and the quality is not that good. They were not visible on my eyes. So in case you just want a natural look, you can go for them. I'll insert a picture of me here wearing them, but I didn't really like the lashes. So you can try them out if you want a natural look. So next I have the Bioderma Micellar Water. As I have tried the Garnier Micellar Water, I have tried the Face Shop Micellar Water and a lot of micellar waters. This one has to be the best one. This doesn't have any oil in it, but still it removes all your waterproof makeup whenever you are on the go. This is really very good and you definitely need to give this a try. And this bottle will last you like for 6 months. Mine will just last. The next product is this Gillette Venus razor. So we are in the middle of a pandemic, and in case you want to remove your hands, legs, hair, whatever, this is really very good. This is very affordable and it does its job quite well. Like, please don't believe in the stereotypes that razors will lead to thick hair or something like that. I have been using razors since like 2 years now and the skin is just like that. Next is this Miss Claire Lash Glue. I am trying this out for the first time. In case you have already tried it, do let me know. I used to use the Duo Glue, DUO glue, I don't know how to pronounce it. I used to use that glue, but now I have switched on to Miss Claire since I heard a lot of people talking about it, and it's clear glue. So in case you have already tried it, you can let me know. The sheet mask from Dear Packer. Guys, these sheet masks are really very good. They are not sticky on your face. They will fit perfectly on your face, and they do brighten up your face like a lot. So you should give them a try. I got them on an offer of buy 5 get 7 free, so it was a really. Next I have this Lakme eyeliner in golden. Like, I am loving experimenting with my makeup currently, and I have used the blue variant that is really good, and I really wanted to get my hands on this one. So this is how it looks. This is very inexpensive. This is just for rupees 130, and I know I can use it in a lot of ways. This is this eye serum mask from Garnier. I have tried the orange color one, like the brightening one I guess, and it's really good. I have already used one and I'm going to try this out as well. This is really good for your under eyes, since you know we can't really use the clay mask and everything on our under eyes. That will make them even more dry. So in case you have any eye issues, so this is really good. You can keep it in the freezer and you can use it under your eyes, and you will definitely see a difference on your under eye. So the next product is this healing clay. So So it's been a while since I got this, but I haven't gathered the courage to use this because you need to mix it with apple cider vinegar, and I'm quite afraid how it will react on my skin. But I am going to try it out and give you guys my full review on my Instagram. So last, I promise, is this lip palette. Very good lip palette. This is very pigmented, not really matte, but it's really pretty and it's very inexpensive. I've already done a review video of this one. You can check it out on my Instagram. So yeah guys, that's it about the video. I just hope that you all enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed filming it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment and share it with your friends. I shall see you guys next time. Bye bye.